audio is okay? Yes, thank you Manjit, thank you so much. Yeah, can you go through the problems one by one? Sorry for inconvenience, right? Let's go to the problems one by one. So, what is the answer of this problem? Please verify. What is the answer of this problem? I hope now everything is fine. Now you can see now. What is the answer of this problem? Can you check? This kind of question you can expect one in the GATE exam. This kind of question one you can expect in the GATE exam. It is already given in the previous paper. You can expect this kind of question in GATE examination. Consider there are two hosts X and Y with IP addresses as, right? Yeah, two IP addresses. X IP address is the 214.158.26.10. Y IP address is 214.158.26.69. The subnet mask is SMX, SMY, R. So for the X is first one subnet mask, for the Y is second one. Okay, means two IP addresses are given, two subnet masks also given. Now is given two statements. Statement number one, host X and Y belongs to a different network with respect to subnet mask Y. X and Y belongs to different network with respect to subnet mask Y. Means with respect to subnet mask Y, for X and Y do end operation. If at all, right, after doing end operation both are same. They belongs to both network. They belongs to same network, otherwise different. Right, X and Y belongs to same network with respect to subnet mask X. With subnet mask X, X and Y do end operation. If at all same network, otherwise different. Simply, right, indirectly, directly, in my opinion, right, whatever questions will come from IP address in GATE examination, indirectly, directly, performing end operation. Subnet mask and IP address do end operation. You will get the network ID. Just check matching is there or not. This one everyone know, this problem everyone know, but indirectly, directly question will be given like this only. Sometimes, right? Sometimes they will give input as output, sometimes output as input, something like that. Right? Please try this problem. XY with subnet mask Y, XY with subnet mask X do end operation. Convert the binary conversion properly. The most probable mistake is you may not able to, you are not converting binary, right, decimal to binary conversion properly. Please convert, right? So I am giving few minutes time, right? 1 minute time, 1 or 2 minutes time I will give. If you do well and good, otherwise I will do, right? Can you try once? Those people who are watching, make sure you will try. I will explain approximately 10 to 20 problems. I will explain. I wish, right, whatever I am teaching 10 to 20 problem, you will get one problem in GATE examination. I wish, right? Let's try. Try what will be the answer for this. You try your opinion. This question guarantee you are expected. So X and Y with SMX end operation. Next one, X and Y with SMY end operation. Do like that. So SMX is going to be 255 to 3 255 is 128. SMY 3 255 is 192. Do conversion properly. So necessary areas only, convert decimal to binary. Necessary part only, convert from decimal to binary. I will solve the problem. I will solve the problem. First you try. I will solve the problem. First you try. I want to do directly, but no use to you. Yeah, let me try. I given enough time. Let me try. Let me try this. So can you help me now? So 214, because of I think 3 octates are in both the mask. 3 octates are 255. So right, you know very well 255 end operation, anything you will get anything only. 255 bitwise end operation, anything you will get anything only. Right? So no need to convert also. But I think last part is required. What is the last part here? 128. 1 followed by 7 zeros. What about 192? I think 128 plus 64, 192. So it's going to be, I think, like this. Convert into binary properly. Next one. What about x conversion? X 10 is going to be 10, 8 plus 2. Next one. What about 69? 64 plus 5. 64 plus 5, which is going to be 69. I think all the things I converted properly. Now let's try. See this one. X SMX. Next one. Next one. X SMX. Next one. Y SMX. In the similar way. Let's see this one. X SMY. Next one. Y SMY. With the SMX both, with the SMY both. Right? Let's try this. How it is going to be happen? Let me try. I am trying now. X and SMX. Sorry. X and SMX. What is the X? This one. Right? What about SMX? This one. So if you see, only last octet required. Last octet. If you see this one, 214, 255. So 214. Right? If you see 158, 255. So 255. Sorry, 158. Next one. This is 26, 255, 26. Until now, no problem. Now see this one. X and SMX. I think 10 and 128. If you do end operation. If you do 10 and 128, if you do end operation, nothing will come. Here 10 is there, here 128 is there. I think nowhere bits are, right? So I think 1 is there, 1 is nowhere bits are common. So it will become 0. Right? Let's go to the Y. Y and SMX. I think everything is same. 214, 255, 214. Next one, 158, 255, 158. Next one, 26, 255, 26. Until now, fine. Now see the next one. Y is going to be 69. Right? SMX is going to be 128. I think nothing common. So it is going to be 69. It is going to be 128. Nothing common, 0. I think if you observe clearly, for x and y, SMX is going to be right. SMX is going to be correct one. They both are belongs to same network, but he is asking different network. But they are same network. Same network for X. I think this is correct. Host X and host Y belong to the same network with respect to the subnet mask X. This is subnet mask X only. With respect to subnet mask X and Y belongs to same network. Let's try Y also. Let me try Y. Can you help me now? Y if you want to try. What is the X? X is same, right? Y is, I think, SM, Y also same. Let's see the last octet. So let's see the last octet. What is the answer? I think it will become 214. XO SM Y 214, 158, 26. Let's see the last octet. If you see the last octet here, it is the 10. In the SMY, if you see 192. 10 is, I think, last 4 bits, 1010. 192 first 2 bits, nothing, so 0. So SMY I tried. Let's go for Y also. I think everything same. Let's go for Y also. I think everything same, only last part 69. But if in the SMY 192, if you observe both, right, 69 is going to be, right, 0100, 0101, but 192 11. I think 1 matching. I think it is going to be 0100, check, remaining zeros, which is going to be 64. This is going to be 0, it is going to be 64. I think for the Y, they both are not same. For the X, they both are same. In my opinion, answer is 3 is correct. Sir, what is the EMFT? What's the meaning? What is the meaning of EMFT? I don't know. What exactly you are asking? Let me check. I think, right, expected questions. They given expected questions. Right? Fine. Which one of the following statements are true? Answer is going to be both are true. Answer is going to be 3. Right? Everyone is fine now. So this is the one which you can going to expect in the examination. Let's go to another problem. See, similar thing how they are given. Can you check this also? Same problem, some other way. It is also GATE problem. Can you verify? It is also GATE problem. Can you verify? Verify what is the answer. Consider 3 machines MN, MN and P with IP addresses. Something is given like this. So I think if you observe clearly, 3 machines M and P IP addresses are given, subnet mask also given, and there is asking which one of the following is true. Means one subnet mask and 3 IPs. One subnet mask and 3 IPs. Just to do individual, right? M and right subnet mask end operation, N and subnet mask end operation, P and subnet mask end operation you do, right? If at all whoever is same, then they are belongs to same network. Otherwise they are belongs to different network. Can you do end operation? Necessary things only convert. I think if you observe mask, I think 3 255s are there. 3 255s. So last one is 252. So 252 means what? 3 less. This is now. So first IP address convert, can let me convert 2. Second IP address, let me convert 5, right? Next one, third one. Right. So do one by one. Do one by one. X and mask. Right? I think first 3 people are same. X and mask. First 3 people are same. What are those? 100, 10, 5. Right? But can you see the last octet? Last octet. I think 2 and 252. 2 and 252. I think nothing will match. Nothing will match. So 0. Next one. Y and mask. 100, 10, 5. I think first 3 octets same. Now see the last octet. 5, 0, 1, 0, 1. But 252, 1, 1, 0. I think what is common? I think one bit only common. I think that is the third bit. 0, 1, 2. Second bit is common. Second bit. So remaining all will be zeros. 0, 0, 0, 0. Right? So 0, 1, 0, 0. Right? 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. I think, yeah, this is the answer. So I think this value, if you observe, 4. Now let's go to right, MNP, right? MNP. It is a M. It is a N. Let's do with the P. P and mask. P and mask. Right? So I think same 100, 10, 5 until now fine. But when you say 6, 0, 1, 1, 0, it is going to be 4 ones, 1, 1, 0. I think if you observe clearly, third bit again matching. Third bit, if you observe clearly, see here no match, here no match, here. Third bit matching. Remaining all no match. Only third bit is matching. So what is the answer? These are zeros. 0, 1, 0, 0, which is going to be 4. I think if you observe clearly, MNP and this mask, who are belongs to same network. What is the answer? I think first one is 0, second one 4, third one is 4. I think NP. Only N and P belongs to same subnet. Answer is B. Answer is B. So my suggestion to you is similar kind of questions only will come. Previous problem, this problem, take care. Previous problem, this problem, take care. These only will come mostly because by seeing previous paper I can guess. By seeing previous paper I can guess. So first problem I done, second problem also I done. Let's go to another problem. Let's go to another problem. Right? See this. What will be the answer? Let's try. Hi Hari Mohan, how are you? Yeah, can you try this? What is the answer for this? Similar, let host X has IP address and host Y has IP address. Both hosts use the same subnet mask Z. Which of the subnet mask Z given below can be used if both hosts are on the same network. There are two IP addresses, I think X and Y, both uses the same subnet mask Z. And one more thing is saying that these two are belongs to same network. If that is the case, what will be the subnet mask? Then what is the answer? On which subnet mask both will give same answer. That will be the answer. X subnet mask do end operation. Y subnet mask do end operation. Right? Whichever will give same answer. That will be the Z. Right? Let's try one by one. So the major one is because of all are 255s, all are 255 3 octets. Concentrate on the fourth octet. Don't convert everything into binary. Only necessary part convert. Necessary part. So I think 112. What is the binary format? Do binary conversion first. 92. What is the binary format? Right? First convert into binary. That is the one which is really important here. So I think this one is going to be 1110 4 zeros. Verify. So I think 128 64 32, which will goes to 4 12 224. Yeah, that is fine. What about 252? What about 192? Yeah, if required we will go to the fourth one. If required we will go to the fourth one. If not required we will leave it. Let's concentrate these three people. But what about 112? 112, if you observe 112, I think 64 required, 32 required, which is going to be 96. 112. Next one afterwards 16. So I think it's going to be 12. 11. I think 112. Right. So let me write now. 64. 32. Right? 64, 32, 16. Remaining zeros. Please verify. At any verify do wrong, please let me know. Next one. What about 92? 64. 64 plus 32, 96. 32 I cannot write. 16. So which will goes to, it is I think approximately 80. 80. I want 92. So I think 12. 8 plus 2. Right? Let me try this one. 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Verify. Right? 12 I know. 12 plus 80, 92. Yeah, I think everything all right. Everything all right. Now you can go ahead. Check if conversion is wrong, let me know. If conversion is wrong, let me know. If some people are saying, sir, I will do, instead of writing every person at a time, some people are saying, instead of writing all the people at a time, so what I will do is, first I will try with 1. If 1 matches, I don't go further. If 2 matches, I don't go further. No, it is not like that. If 1 matches, still you have to go. If 2 matches, still you have to go, because if more than 1 person matching, longest one you have to take. If more than 1 person matching, longest one you have to take. So because of that reason, you have to write all the people. Right? Last one I will see. I will concentrate last one also. Right? If more than 1 person matching, we have to take the longest one. Let's try. Let's try. Can you help me now? First option with X. What is the answer? First option with X. If you observe clearly, 3 255s are there. So 11, 110, 2 will come. That's okay. But what about 112? What about 224? In the 112, 0 triple 1. But here 111 0. I think how many people will match? How many people will match here? Right? 4 zeros I think no use. 0 triple 1, 0 triple 1, 111 0. I think 2 people will match. So I think this will become 0 111 0 like this if you do end operation. First option with the X, that one. Next one. First option with Y. What is the answer? Let's try. So what is the answer? 0 1 0 1, 1 1 0 0. With the first option if you do, right? I think seventh bit is, no, sixth bit is, sixth position. Sixth position will match, that's it, only sixth one. So that is the reason, right? One cannot be the answer because they both are giving different answer. So one cannot, leave it. I am thinking one cannot. Let's go to 2. Let's go to 2. If you go to the 2, what about with the x? 2, second option with the x. What is the answer? I think triple 1. Right? Sixth position, fifth position, fourth position. They all will be, right? All will be true. That's okay. What about second one? What about second one? No. Second one also fail. So 1 fail, 2 fail. Let's go to 3. Let's go to 3. So 3 if you see with the x, 3 if you see with the x, only 6th bit. What about y? Only 6th bit. Perfect. I think answer is 3. I think answer is 3. Answer 3. Well, some people are asking, sir, what about fourth one, sir? What about fourth one, sir? Let's see the fourth one. If you want, you can see the fourth one. And one more thing, even though fourth one will match, let us assume the fourth one also match, but I will take longest one. I think the third option having more ones comparing with the fourth option. I will go to the third only. So there is no need to check the fourth one. Answer is 3. So answer is 3. Will you agree or not? Verify. Answer is 3. Will you agree or not? Verify. So answer 3. Will you agree? Okay, fine. Harimohan, tomorrow I will take. Harimohan, tomorrow I will take. Let's go to next. Let's go to next. What is the answer for this? What is the answer for this? Yeah, what is the answer for this? An organization is granted the block, something is given. The administrator wants to create 500 subnets. Find the number of hosts in each subnet and what is the first and last host of the second number subnet. An organization is granted the block, something like this. The administrator wants to create 500 subnets. So first of all, you only say, right? You only say, I think it is going to be classless. This is going to be classless. So I think because of it is 16, the number of IPs possible is, the number of IPs 2 power 32 minus 16, which is going to be 2 power 16 IPs possible. I have totally 2 power 16 IPs. Right. In those 2 power 16 IPs, what he want? The administrator want to create 500 subnets. So the 16 bits you have to divide into 2 parts. subnets also, host also. So those 16 bits you have to divide into two parts, subnet also, host also. You want approximately, administrator want to create 500 subnets. I think if you want to 500, 2 power 8, 256, 2 power 9, 512. Yes, I think remaining if you see out of 16, 9 gone. Out of 16, 9 gone. Remaining is 7. So 2 power 7. Hosts are 2 power 7. Then find the number of hosts in each subnet and what is the first and last host of the second number subnet. So you only say because of host purpose 7 bits, 2 power 7. 2 power 7 host, but all zeros, all ones you cannot use. 2 power 7, 128 minus 2, 126. So number of hosts are 126. Right? So answer is either 1 or 4. Answer is either 1 or 4. Right? I think to decide the further answer, let's do the remaining work. What the remaining work is saying? Find the number of hosts in each subnet. Find the number of hosts in each subnet. Yes, I done. What is the first and last host? First and last host in the second number subnet. Now can you help me now? How many bits for subnet? 9 bits. Out of 16 people, last 16 people, 9 for the subnet. 9 for the subnet. 7 for host. Right? 7 for host. Let's see this one. Listen, last 2 bytes take care. So 7 people for host. Right? I think 1 bit here. This 1 bit I will fill. Totally 8, right? Last octet contain 8 bits, 7 bits for host. So 1 for is going to be subnet number. Here 8 people are belongs to subnet. Here 8 people are belongs to subnet. Right? Totally 9 people. So here 1 person, here 8 people. So he is asking, right? He is asking first and last host in the second number subnet. Second number subnet. See this one. How to write second number? With 9 people, second number you have to write. How to write? Let's see this one. Second number is saying 8 people here. Second number. I think everyone know is the first number. Is the first number. Right? Is number 0. Number 0. It is a number 1. Number 2 you want. Right? Number 2. Number 2. It is a number 2. Number 0, number 1, number 2. Number 2 network, number 2 subnet, first and last host. What is the first host? These 7 people. These 7 people. Right? You cannot write host is all zeros, all ones. You cannot write. So I think it is going to be second subnet, first host. What about last host? What about last host? All ones, 7 ones. Right? Because of all zeros, all ones not allowed. You have to keep 0 here. You have to keep 0 here. Right? This is same. Second number subnet. Second number subnet followed by 6 ones. Second number subnet followed by 6 zeros followed by 1. So calculate properly. This one you have to calculate. This one you have to calculate. Now if you observe clearly, so what is the answer? Those 16 bits. Those 16 bits if you observe, right? I think right? So this byte, last byte is going to be 1. This is 1. So this is going to be 1. This is going to be 1. Now this one if you observe, last byte if you see, right? I think if at all 7 people are there, 2 power 7, 128, 127, 128. If at all 7 people are ones, 128. Sorry, 2 power 7 minus 1, 127. Because of one more 0, 126. Right? I think in my opinion, 1.1, 1.126. But remaining people are same. Remaining people are same. What the remaining people are same means? Right? Remaining people are same means, let's see the IP address. Whatever given same. 160.46. So answer is going to be, right, 1.1, 1.1, 1.126. If you see the fourth option, 0.129, 0.129, third byte is 0. I don't know, right? So fine. So answer is going to be first option, not fourth option. Be careful. Many problems we done in the classroom. So out of 16 people, right? Out of 16 people for host, he divided into subnet. 500 subnets required. 9 bits will go for subnet. So out of 16, 9 gone. 7 will be for host. Right? Last, right? LSB 7 people for host. LSB 7 people for host. From the last two, 7 bits will go to the host. Right? 9 bits will go to subnet. Subnet number 2 is asking. Subnet number 2. 9 bits 2, how will you write? Write like that. So someone is posted saying that use Tinder and all. Arey man, this is the place for this. Common senseless fellow. Arey, all are seriously studying. You are coming and you are posting. Common senseless fellow. Send this message to all your family members. Why are you posting here? Use little common sense. But anyhow, that is your problem. Right? Fine. Let's go to next problem. Yeah. What is the answer for this? Arimohan is very happy because I scolded him. Thank you, Arimohan, for your wonderful support. Yeah, what is the answer for this? Which of the following is a private address? What is the answer? So please remember, from this problem, please remember the private IP addresses. Right? From this problem, remember all private IP addresses. Private IP addresses are there, please remember them. So what is the answer? Which one is the answer? Private IP addresses, remember. Which one? Arey Manjit, that's okay. Manjit also very happy. Arey Manjit, afterwards we can celebrate. Give answer. So from this problem, my suggestion is remember private IPs. Remember private IPs. It is one of the private IP. Next one. Let's go to the next problem. So before going to the next problem, let me say something about Unacademy. Right? See this one. On 28th, Udan batch is starting. Right? Use referral code Reddy sir. Use referral code Reddy sir. On 28th, there is a Udan batch is starting. 2024 people can join in Udan batch. Right? So use the referral code Reddy sir to get the discount. Right? So it is me. I am teaching in Unacademy. Algorithms, data structures, programming, compiler design, theory of computation, computer network, discrete mathematics. Right? These are the things. Right? Very soon I am going to start digital also. Algorithm, data structure, programming, compiler design, theory of computation, computer network, discrete mathematics and digital. Right? If you follow all these subjects from me, I am very sure you are going to get the full marks. Right? Thank you so much for all your cooperation. Let's go to another one. So there is one more batch starting, Bunyad batch. One more batch is starting, Bunyad batch on 28th only, January 28th. Use referral code Reddy sir. Next one, Udan batch is starting. Right. So next one more thing I want to say to you. 30% off is going on. 30% off going on. It is a Republic Day offer. 30% offer is going on. Please utilize this. Get up to 30% off. It's a Republic Day offer. Utilize this. You can go for plus also, you can go for iconic also. My suggestion is go for plus because you will get so many facilities. Use referral code Reddy sir. Next one. And one more thing is there is a right, so there is a Raudra lectures also available. So 30 months and 15 months. You can use whatever option you like. Ignite batch is starting. Ignite batch is, let's see this one. January 18, I think a few days back I started the data structure. Only hashing is over. Right, recording also there, you can go through it. Only hashing over, right? Only hashing is over, 2 or 3 lectures are over, you can take care. Right, so this batch is started in the, right, January 18 I started. Only hashing is completed. Today I started the graph traversal. Recording also there, you can go through it. You can go through the recording. Right, remaining all lectures you can follow. There is no dependency also. Happily you can follow. Use referral code Reddy sir. Fine. Foundation batch for 2025 I started. Right, programming and data structure. Same thing like that batch. This batch also hashing is completed. Graph traversal I started. You can join in this batch. My serious suggestion is please join this batch. It will be really useful to you. Next one. All India level mock test is going on. It is free. All India level mock test is going on. It is free. January 8th, 15, 22, 29. There is a all India level mock test. 22 also over yesterday or day before yesterday. Right? The mock test is over. 29 is available. Please utilize this. Top 300 rankers will get up to 1 crore worth of scholarship. 29th all India level mock test is there. Utilize it. Right. So I hope right, you will utilize all these things. Let's go to next. Yeah. So right, see this one. 114. Which one of the following IP can be used as both source IP and destination IP? Which of the following IP can be used as both source IP and destination IP? Can you try this? What the answer? Yeah, what is the answer for this? Which of the following IP can be used as both source IP and destination? Both source and destination. I think if you observe clearly, it is a class A. Class A means, right? So first byte is for network, next one is go for host. Host part all are ones. Host part is all ones. Host part all ones means what is the answer? LBA. Right? No, DBA. Direct broadcast address. DBA. Host part is all ones. DBA. Suppose that not host, not network. Everything is all ones. That is going to be LBA. Right? Only host part is all ones DBA. Everything is all ones LBA. I think second one. See, second one LBA. This is LBA. Limited broadcast address. This is right, normal IP. Maybe it may be private IP, but normal IP. Right? It's IP. This is going to be loop back address. This is going to be loop back address. This is going to be loop back address. Loop back address will be used as, right, destination address. DBA will be used as destination address. LBA will be used as destination address. Remember, these all will be used only destination. Only destination addresses. They are special people, will be used for special purpose, that is, right, that is for right, receiver address only, destination address only. I think the third one you can use for source also, destination also, nothing special. Right? Third one may be private IP, private or public doesn't matter, but you can use third one for, right, source also, destination also. But 1, 2, 4 will be used for only destination. Only for destination. Alright, let's go to next. What about this? Which of the following is class C address? Which of the following is a class C IP? What is class C IP? So until right, until 127 class A, 128 onwards class B, to what is the answer? So can you help me? What is the answer? 172 is going to be class B. Class C means 192. Right? Is keep on and you know very well. Just take care about this. Right? So see this one. See everyone now. Nothing fixed to class A. Nothing fixed to class A. Right? Next one. 1 bit fixed to class B. 2 bits fixed to class C. Right? Like that bits are keep on increasing. Nothing fixed to. Right? Fine. So you know class A, class B, class C story, so no need to discuss anything about that. Just remember once. Otherwise, see the notes one time, you will get the clarity. What about this? What about this? This problem, can you check once? problem is a nice one. This is a nice problem. Can you check once? This is a nice problem. Can you check once? An internet service provider has the following, right? CIDR based IP addresses available with it something given. The IP want to give half of this chunk of IP address to organization A and a quarter of to organization B, while returning remaining with itself. Which of the following is a valid allocation of IP addresses to A and B? Right. So careful properly. Right. Now listen properly. So mask is 20 means, right, how many IPs possible? 2 power 32 minus 20, which is going to be 2 power 12 possible. 2 power 12 IPs possible. Right. 2 power 12 IPs possible. Be careful. Right. Last LSB 12 people, 12 zeros to 12 ones. Those many IPs possible. Okay, that's okay. Right. 2 power 12 IPs possible. Now what he is saying is, in those 2 power 12 IPs, what he is saying is, right, half of them given to A. The ISP want to give half of these addresses to organization A. So out of these 2 power 12 IPs, half is going to be 2 power 11. 2 power 11 will goes to, right, I think organization A. In the remaining 2 power 11, half is given to organization B. So can you help me now? Out of 2 power 12 means how much? 2 power 12 means how much? Right, let us assume that. So 2 power 12 means 2 power 11, 2 power 11. Let me write now. 2 power 12, 2 power 11. This is given for A. Right, next one. In this 2 power 11, half is given. Half is means what? 2 power 10. It is 2 power 10. It is given for B. Remaining will be, right, left out with him. Remaining will be left out with them. Please be careful. So I think if you observe clearly, right, 2 power 12 IPs you have to divide it into 2 power 12 IPs you have to divide it into first 2 parts. One part is given to A, another part, again 2 parts will be done, right? One part will be given to B, another one is going to be left out part. That is the final description what I want to say to you. Out of 2 power 12, 2 power 11 for A, right? And the remaining 2 power 11, right, once again 2 parts for B and remaining. So how will you divide? Let's see now. So can you help me now? If you want to give for A, right? So 2 power 11, I think one bit is left out. That is for subnet purpose. If space is there, I can manage here. Otherwise, let me write here. Everyone listen. Let me write. What is the given IP? Given IP is 245. I will write here. See this one. Given IP 245, 248. Yeah. Let's talk about last 12 people. Let's talk about last 12 people. Right? Last 12 means what? In the last byte 8, before that 4, totally 12. In those 12 people, right? So I think if you observe clearly, A purpose 2 power 11. So let's see what I am doing. Right? So 12 people, right? And one more thing is, what about third one? Third one is 136. Let's see here. See this one. Third one is 128. Careful everyone. Third one is 128. Third one is 128. Right? If you want, I will write binary format. Third one is 128. See how I am writing 128? and as I mentioned to you, 12 people are there. Last LSB 12 people, everyone listen. Out of those 12, one for, everyone listen. Out of the last LSB 12 people, one is going to, right, subnet purpose, because you have to divide 2 power 12 into 2 parts. One for subnet purpose. Now see this one. 0, subnet 0, subnet 1. Right? 8 plus 4, totally 12 people. Out of 12, 1 for subnet purpose. Subnet 0, subnet 1. Right? Subnet 0, subnet 1. Can you help me now? If you see the subnet 0, everyone listen. If you see the subnet 0, see this one. Right? Host part, if you observe, all zeros to all ones. All zeros to, guarantee will get all ones. Next one, in the similar way, here also, right? This one, all zeros to all ones. Now, if you observe clearly, I think 11 people I am using. 11 people. 11 zeros to 11 ones. See, 11 zeros to 11 ones. 11 zeros to 11 ones. So, I think if you observe clearly, in this area, 2 power 11 people. In this area, 2 power 11 people. Totally 2 power 12. 2 times of 2 power 11. Right? Totally 2 power 12. That's fine. That's fine. But the question here is going to be, here 2 power 11 there, here 2 power 11 there. Which part is given to? Which part is given to? A, I don't know. Maybe they given this part, maybe they given this part. So one part is given. I don't know first part is given or second part is given. Suppose isn't that first part is given. First part is given. What is the first one? If you observe clearly, this is the 128, all zeros too. Right? I think if at all first part is given for A, 128.02. 128.0. So first one, 128.0. Let's see this one. If the first part is given 128.0, right? So suppose that second part is given. I don't know which one is given. If the first part is given to A, 128.0. Suppose isn't that second part is given. Then what is the answer? If second part is given, if you observe clearly, 1, 4 zeros are, 3 zeros are there, followed by 1 is there, 3 zeros are there. It is going to be 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 8. 8 plus 120, 8 plus 120, 136. If second part is given, this one. First part is given 128.0, second part is given 136.0. That's okay. But let me ask you one small line now. In this area, host purpose how many bits? 11. Out of 32, remove 11. How many? 21. Suppose if you follow this one, 128.0 slash 21. 128 slash dot 021, or if you follow this one, 136 slash 21. Right? Either this will be, but I am very sure these cannot be. Right? Answer is either B or A or B. To proceed to get the actual answer, we will see remaining part also. See, in both the areas, our hosts are 2 power 11. Out of 2 power 32, if you remove 2 power 11, which will goes to 2 power 21. So mask is 2 power 21. So right answer is either A or B. Option A or option B, because A purpose maybe this group is allocated, or A purpose maybe this group is allocated. Any one of the group is allocated. But I can easily say B cannot be the answer. See, same thing written. No, B cannot be the answer. So answer is only A. If you want, I will proceed the remaining part also. If you want, I will proceed the remaining part also. So let's see the option A. If at all option A is the answer, this is given to A purpose. 136, 0 is given to A purpose. Here B. But you know very well, in the B, what they done? In the 2 power 11, again they done two parts. This is the 2 power 11, again then they done two parts. What I mean? Again they fixed this 2 power 11 into two parts. This here 0 fixed, here again half 0, half 1. Half 0, half 1. Here one bit is for 0, all zeros. Here one bit for all ones. Then I think in the 2 power 11 people, only 2 power 10 is there. Only 2 power 10 is there. Right? Either first half is given or second half is given. If at all first half, then what is the answer? 128, 0. If at all first half, 128, 0. If at all second half, here 1 will start. 1 followed by, right? All zeros. 1 followed by all zeros. It will become 128, right? Plus 4, it will become 132. So that is the reason 128 is the answer. So in this, either first half or second half, they given first half. So remember 2 power 12 total, 2 power 11, this 2 power 11, right? Second 2 power 11 is allocated to A. This is A. Take care properly. This 2 power 11 will be divided into, two parts. 2 power 10, right? This first 2 power 10 is for B. That's it. Like that data. 2 power 12 is 2 power 11. Second 2 power 11 is for A. Next one. Here, this one again divided into two parts. 2 power 10. First 2 power 10 is B. Second 2 power 10 for remaining. So if you calculate this one properly, you will get the 136.0. If you calculate properly, you will get the 128.0. Be careful. So answer is A. It's a really nice problem. It may be disturbed you little bit. But it is one of the nice problem. Yeah, for the B, right? For the A, what is fixed? For the A, what is fixed? Fifth bit is 1 fixed. See. For the A, fifth bit 1 fixed. For the B, what is fixed? Fifth bit is 0 fixed. Right? Sixth bit is 0 fixed. Sixth bit also 0 fixed. And one more, in the B place, because of 2 people are fixed, I think what is the answer? Right? Host part is less. Host part is less means mask is more, 22. Host part is less. For the B, hosts are less. I think how many hosts? 2 power 10, 32 minus 10, 22. 22 is going to be mask. 22 going to be mask. Going to be mask. Yeah. So can you help me? What is the answer of this? A network with 3 hosts M and P have IP addresses 194.56.102.194.56 something like that. So I think this one we are already done. Different way they given. Can you try this? It is the last problem of today's class. Sir, in the option D, let's go for option D. In the option D, in place of Sir, in option D, if in place of 2221 mask is there, see, their mask only different, right? Option A, yeah, option D, Harimohan, answer is going to be option D also. If mask is 2122, not 2221, 2122. Answer is going to be option D also. If mask is 2122, reverse is there. Reverse is there, right? Nice doubt. Answer is going to be option D also. Answer is going to be option D also if mask is 2122, not 2221. Exactly. At that time what happened is he may be given second half to B. Not first half. I given first half to B, maybe given second half to B. Right? Fine. Can you say what about this one? Just doing end operation. Try. 3 hosts are there, MNP have IP addresses. And the subnet mask also given, right? Do end operations properly. 2, 5, 6. I think we done already. This one. I think N and P same, right? We done already this. C maybe. This problem already we done. Next. Yeah, I'm stopping this class. I'm stopping the class. Right? If anyone, those people who are preparing for 2024 or 25, my suggestion is data structure is started morning 6 a.m. My suggestion is it will be really useful to you. Please utilize. Early morning 6 a.m. there is a data structure. Graph traversal started. 1 or 2 classes are over. You can see the recording also there. Right? Use this. Right? Use the referral code Reddy sir and join in this. Right? So my suggestion is please take care. Early morning 6 o'clock there is a programming data structure. Is over. I will start Algo. Algo is completed. I will start TOC. Right? Morning is data structure is going on. Evening is computer network going on. After data structure is over, I will start Algo morning. Evening I will start TOC. After completion of the Algo, morning I will start discrete mathematics. Evening I will start compiler design. Right? Like that. Right? Every day 2 subjects. Are going on. Those 2 subjects are over, 2 more subjects. Those 2 subjects are over, 2 more subjects. Like that it is going on. Right? Please take care. So I hope you will utilize the Republic Day offer is going on. Right? 20% off is going on. You can utilize. On Raudra lectures. Right? In the normal one, 30% is going on. Right? Udan batch and Bunyad batch, 30% offer is going on. Utilize it. Right? Thank you so much. See you in the next class.